Creativity for me is the capability to enable a imaginative thought into a physical act, I guess, that will entertain and engage with others.
I think it's really important in our work to recognise when we don't know all the information, and it's really important to then look to hire in people that bring in extra knowledge to enhance the knowledge we already have, but to grow the knowledge that we need in order for our business to continue to be successful and sustainable.
The future of creativity is going to be very fluid. It's going to require an extraordinary adaptability of the practitioner of their craft to be able to adjust trajectories, accomplish their goals, knowing that the new capabilities of AI are democratizing creativity to some degree and massively amplifying those that didn't traditionally have creativity within them.
I think creativity for me is to have your imagination and to have your heart, and to make sure that those two things are always connected for what you see around you and for what you feel.
We all need the type of people that are coming out of this university in society today. People thinking positively, hoping for brighter futures. So congratulations to this university for your 25 years, and we feel very privileged to be sharing in that with you on this special year. It has been an amazing experience being at this university. The vibrancy, the dynamic, just the passion that you can see on the faces of the people working here and the students studying here is a very real thing. So it's actually been a magnificent experience for us.
I hope my daughter might be inspired enough to think about coming to this university when she finishes school in New Zealand.